Welcome to Basic Computers. My name is Brenda Holmes, your instructor. If you need assistance, you can contact me by email. You will be learning about using Microsoft Word and PowerPoints. We will review basic Excel as well. You might want to open up Word to review along. Let's start with Word and identifying parts of the Word screen. Let's find out what Microsoft Word is and how it works. Microsoft Word is a versatile and an easy-to-use word processing program. Locate the Windows icon at the lower left-hand side of the screen. It will open and select all programs. Scroll down until you see Windows. Open it and locate Word. You can use Word to create letters, memos, reports, and other types of documents. Sometimes you can locate the Word icon on your desktop. Double-click the Word shortcut icon. As you see here, you will find the Windows icon at the bottom left. This will open up to your programs. Look at this Word document. At the top is the ribbon, which is your toolbar to write your document. The ribbon, located at the top of the Word document, consists of tabs and groups related to commands. Move your cursor to select a command to display a screen tip. The Quick Access toolbar contains frequently used commands. Commands are available for all tabs on the ribbon. 3 commands appear by default. Click the File tab. The left navigation pane lists commands to create, open, save, and print documents. The left navigation pane lists commands to create, open, save, and print documents. Let's look at keying and editing text. The insertion point is the vertical blinking line that marks the position of the next character to be entered. The mouse pointer changes to an I-beam when it is in the text area. The insertion point marks the place where you begin keying text. Word, by default, wraps text from the end of one line to the beginning of the next line. It also recognizes spelling and grammatical errors. This is recognized by red wavy lines. Word default corrects common misspellings. It can suggest the completed word when a series of characters are keyed. To delete a text, you can press the backspace key located on the right-hand side of the keyboard or press delete. To insert a text, take the cursor and place the information needed. Naming and saving a document is very important. Always make sure you save as often as possible so if the computer goes down you won't have to start all over. Using file names, it should be unique with a maximum of 255 characters. There are characters that will not be accepted in saving a document. As indicated in number 4, there is a couple of ways to save a document. One way is name the document as save as, where you name and save the document for the first time or save it with a different name. The other way is to save an existing document that you are working on that you initially began at another time. This is the dialog box. It will allow you to save your document in several formats such as PDF, doc. To create a folder which will allow you to save a document to a specific file, open the Save As dialog box. Click the Create New Folder button. Key the name and press Enter. Now let's try opening up an existing document. Look at the top of your Word document. Click the File tab and choose Open, or you can press Ctrl+O. Click on the document you want to work on. Sometimes you will have to use tabs to identify key information. Look at the top of the ribbon above the paragraph indentation settings. Next we will be discussing how to move within a document. Occasionally you will find that you need to move a sentence or paragraph to another area. If you will look in your book on page 27, Table 1.5, you can find shortcut keys to move your information. Practice scrolling in a document using the scroll arrows, scroll box, and clicking above and below the scroll box. Display the Select Browse Object menu and point to each icon to D. Moving about the document can be as simple as using the arrows up, down, to the left or to the right. Selecting a text is a basic technique that makes specific information stand out. It will appear as a highlighted block. Look on page 29, Table 1.7 to view the selection with mouse. Existing text must be selected before it is edited or deleted. Selected text appears as highlighted text. A selection can be a character, word, line, phrase, sentence, paragraph, entire document, or a group of characters. Select text using the mouse or keyboard. If you notice on this text, there is a word highlighted in blue, the mouse pointer will change to an arrow at the beginning. By holding down the right side of the mouse and drag across, you can highlight the word or text. Before we can save our completed document, we must check for proper spelling and grammar. As you write the document, you might see red wavy lines under words or text. Click on the word view located on the ribbon at the top of Word. Select Spell Check. This will check your spelling as well as grammar. As you see here, the word chocolate is spelled wrong. The spell check gave you an option to check the correct spelling. On this side, you can select the option to ignore, add or change. Once you have completed your spell check, save the document. Go to File located on the ribbon. Press Save if the document already been saved, or if you want to rename the document, press Save As. Exit or close the file. Now we will work on templates. This will allow you to select professional letters, brochures, etc. Word has provided built-in templates as well as online templates. Click the File tab, then click New to display the new pane. You will see several template options. Selecting the blank templates, you will be able to create one from scratch. I selected a letter. It will direct you on what information would be needed to have a professional letter. Make sure you read it carefully for appropriateness. Now that you have reviewed this short video on Word, I hope it will help you with your assignments located under Homework. Remember to complete by due date.